everyone, I'm Chanchal and welcome back to Unique Zone Real Estate. I'm a long-time resident of Dubai and a passionate explorer of the city's best communities. Over the years, I've had the chance to experience many places, but the Greens has truly become home for me. I moved here 10 years ago when I started my real estate career, and since then, I've built a life filled with amazing memories in the beautiful neighborhood. Dubai is known for its skyscrapers, luxury lifestyle and fast-paced city life. But amidst all that, there are hidden gems that offer a perfect balance of nature and urban convenience. One such place is The Greens, a community that has been my home for the past 10 years. This place is not just where I stay, it's where I started my career, made amazing memories, and built a life I truly love. And if you are also looking for one of the best family-friendly communities in Dubai, then The Greens is the perfect place for you. Let me take you on a tour and tell you everything you need to know about this amazing neighborhood. So what is The Greens and why is it so special? Developed by Emaar, The Greens is one of Dubai's most sought after residential areas, known for its serene environment, beautiful landscaping, and a strong sense of community. The name Greens comes from the abundant greenery and open spaces that make this place stand out in a city known for its skyscrapers. One of the reasons why The Greens is favorite among families and professionals is its unbeatable location. It's centrally located right next to Sheikh Zayed Road and opposite to Dubai Media City. Whether you work in Media City, Internet City, or even Dubai Marina, your commute is super easy. And the best part, it is a peaceful oasis in the middle of the city. Living in The Greens means you get to enjoy a well-planned community with everything you need. There are beautifully maintained parks, walking trails, and lakes where you can relax. Families love this place because it's safe, quiet, and has plenty of open spaces for kids to play. And to top it up, it's a pet-friendly community. For dog lovers, there is an exclusive dog park where your pet can have a great time in a safe environment. When it comes to daily conveniences, you will find everything right here. The Greens has a community shopping center that includes supermarkets, cafes, and essential stores. There are plenty of restaurants offering different cuisines, from casual eateries to fine dining. You will also find barber shops, pharmacies, and clinics. Basically, everything you need is within walking distance. For families with kids, The Greens is home to Regent International School and Dubai International Academy. A world-class school is just a stone's throw. With its proximity to world-class universities in Dubai Knowledge Village, education is never a concern here. For families with parents, The Greens is a unique community where every member of your family is treated with care and respect. There is a golden age circle where senior citizens are treated with respect, dignity, and plenty of activities are planned to keep them busy. Another amazing perk of living in The Greens is that it's right next to Emirates Golf Club. If you love golf or just enjoy scenic views, this place is a dream. And for those who are looking for different housing options, The Greens offers a variety of apartments in modern low-rise and high-rise buildings, with sizes ranging from cozy one-bedroom units to spacious four-bedroom homes. Another big advantage is connectivity. The community has direct access to Sheikh Zayed Road. You are just a few minutes away from all the major attractions in Dubai Marina and Palm Jumeirah. If you love shopping, then malls like Dubai Marina Mall and Mall of Emirates are within 10 minutes driving distance. Whether it's shopping, dining, or entertainment, you'll never run out of options. So to sum it all up, the Greens is one of my favorite areas in Dubai for so many reasons. It's peaceful yet certainly located, well planned, and offers everything from parks to shopping, restaurants, and top schools. If you are thinking of moving to Dubai or looking for a perfect community to settle in, the Greens should definitely be on your list. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions or want to know more, drop them into comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights about life in Dubai. See you in the next one.